Okay, you guys, as you can tell, I've been cooking up a storm today, and I wanted to show you just off the cuff, totally spur of the moment. I was going to make this broccoli side dish that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I thought, why not show you guys what I'm doing? Okay, so we've got our burner is hot, our ginger chicken is done and ready, and that's going to go in the oven and stay warm while I'm showing you guys this broccoli. Now, in our skillet that looks like it's ready to be washed, but not quite, because guess what? We're going to do our broccoli. Now, the broccoli has been steamed to mostly tender. Well, like probably it's everybody's level, except for those who like their broccoli gray. Okay, so skillet back on the heat, high heat, little bit of vegetable oil. And here comes our broccoli. That is, you see that's nice and steamed and tender. It's going straight in that pan. Okay, now we're not going to beat this to death because we want this to stay in nice, large pieces. Okay, so we're just going to very gently toss this around that skillet. But what we're going to do now, because we want this to be like 100 on flavor, right? We're going to hit this with a teeny bit of our Chinese rice cooking wine and a little bit of soy sauce. Keeping that heat on high because we don't want to steam it anymore. We just want to coat this. All right, now you see that sauce is bubbling, that little bit of sauce that we added to it. It's bubbling in the bottom on a really high simmer. And we're just going to let that sit in there until that is almost dry. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay, that is ready. We're going to come off the burner with that and into our waiting casserole fish. Oh, how lovely. Look at all that flavor. Okay, guys, well, everything is done. The ginger chicken got finished. And so we're just going to plate up just a little bit of everything. The braised broccoli. And the ginger and garlic rice pilaf. Oh, and don't forget, you guys, the inspiration for the whole meal is our homemade copycat Japanese steakhouse homemade ginger dressing. Okay, on to the charred broccoli. I've been wanting to make this ever since my daughter had this in a restaurant. She just loved it. And I told her, I said, I can make you that. Oh, so good. It's steamed broccoli, but taken up about maybe 3 notches. All right, you guys, there you have it. A very easy, very healthy, flavorful meal that you can make right at home, and you don't have to pay all that money at a Japanese steakhouse to get all this flavor. You guys got to check that out, okay? And when you do, make sure you leave me a comment. And if you're not already subscribed, please do that for us. That really, really helps us out, and I'd love to hear from you. And you know what? That's a wrap for today, and we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.